was actually gonna buy these the other day. I might actually still get them. They're ready to lay eggs. Look, and she's selling them at $170 each. So if I take these fish home right now, they will breed tonight in my tank, and I will have babies tomorrow or the day after. Yo, what's goody? It's your boy Malik back with another video. We're doing an epic store tour of Dragon King Aquarium at 4779 Steeles Avenue East, Unit B10. So I'm gonna be dropping off a bunch of fish here. We're gonna do a little store tour. So if you guys are in the Markham area and you don't want to come downtown to see me to buy my fish, you can buy them here at Dragon King. My ancient fish will be available here at Dragon King. So go to Dragon King in Markham and buy my angels and all the other fish they have. They have all kinds of Arowanas, Discus, a lot of expensive fish, a lot of high-end stuff. So this is a hidden gem that I'm bringing to you guys. A lot of people don't know about this type of store, so we're going to be doing a lot of these store tours. So subscribe if you haven't and watch till the end, because you don't want to miss all the cool fish that these guys have to offer. They have fish that you've never seen before. So let's get into this tour and watch what's going on. So we're going to be wearing our mask inside, safety first. Gotta keep everybody safe. See the lovely employees, the staff here. These are the owners as well, and they're putting the fish into the tank that I just brought in. It's a giant display tank over here. These are Asian Arowanas, really nice, really good quality, really nice Discus. There's a pair back there. There's bass. Look at the Altums. Look at these Altums. Look how big that Altum is. Wow. That's a massive Altum angel. That's huge. That's so big. There's koi fish. And a lot of big koi. They always get koi in the spring. So right now is not the koi season, but if you come here in the spring, there's a lot more koi. You see all the cool koi fish right there. Wow. Super cool. And they have the saltwater section, some saltwater fish. Right now, I guess the shipments have been a little low, but usually these tanks are full of colorful fish. There's more koi fish down below. Lots of koi fish. So much koi fish. Wow, it's really nice. So if you want koi fish or pond fish like these exotic goldfish, come here. You can get these here. There's a lot of cool fish here. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Look at this guy. It's a giant sailfish gecko. That's proper, right? That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. It's at least a foot. Look at this Arowana. Wow. That's a beautiful fish. You cannot find these fish in the US. But you can find them in Canada. Because Canada is awesome. Come to Canada. They have the gold line fish. Really cool. I'm actually into these. I like these fish. I don't know, everybody hates on them, but I actually like these. They're one of my favorites.
All these different colors, they're the same species?
Yeah. They're man-made. They're dyed.
Okay.
Yeah, they're like so these fish are genetically modified to look like this. They inject it into the genes of the fish. So these fish now carry this gene. So if you breed the pink ones, which I really like actually, I might get those. I'm really into the pink ones. They're really pretty. Wow, they're bright. So what happens is you breed the pink ones to each other, the babies are going to look just like the parents. And if you breed the yellow ones with each other, the babies are going to look just like that. Because they already have this gene now in their genetic makeup. Yo, look at the stingrays down here. Stingrays. If you guys want stingrays, this is the place to come. Asian Arowanas, all kinds of exotic stuff. That's a datnoid. Got flower horns. Price is on the wall right there. Yo, look at this baby right there. Look at that, short body. That's a pretty fish. Wow. That's a very pretty fish. That's a really, really pretty fish. So we're gonna go around the corner. And out here there's more. These are some monkey King Kong, whatever these things are. They're not mammals, they're not parrotfish. They're the monkey parrotfish or whatever. The king parrots or whatever they're called. I forgot their actual name. There's a really nice male. There's another nice one. Wow, this is a pretty fish. I think it's one of their personal pets. It's not for sale. That's a really pretty fish. Killberry bass, yo. If you want killberry bass, come here. It's $100 each. Best quality I've seen in a good while. These probably wild caught. Really nice quality, really nice yellow on them. Almost like a gold. So you know these are good high quality, pure strain killberries. Red flagtails also $90 each. Really nice. And the discus. You guys are gonna want to be here right now. This is where the nicest stuff is, where I get my fish from. So this is one of the dealers I get my discus from. And so they have the bigger ones here. This pair, I was actually gonna buy these the other day. I might actually still get them. They're ready to lay eggs, look. And she's selling them at $170 each. So if I take these fish home right now, they will breed tonight in my tank. And I will have babies tomorrow or the day after. I will have a spawn out of these if I take them home. She's ready, look, she's already ready to lay eggs. Her tube's out. You see? She's ready to lay eggs. Big fish. Fish are huge, bigger than my hand. See my hand? And then more discus, different prices. These are nice too. I really like this guy here. More discus. They have angels, little guppies and stuff. More stingrays. Stingrays are nice, I love those. These goldfish are really nice. This is where I get some of my goldfish from usually. So if you ever buy goldfish from me, this is probably where I got them from or their parents from. That's some really nice goldfish. It's like 25 bucks each, I think. Really big too. Really pretty. We'll do the other side from there. So I start from like that, this thing. So we got small discus in these tanks that are like 42 bucks. They're actually quite big. And they're called small, but these guys are about 3 inches. Really nice. And there's a whole bunch of them. Some blues. Some checkerboards or whatever they're called, or I forgot their name. Really pretty though. Red melons. These are some really nice red melons right here. Really nice red melons. I really like these ones. $42 each too. It's not bad. It's like 3-inch fish. Really good quality. Really good quality. And the guys up top, really pretty. Some pigeon buds and checkerboards. Really nice. They got some wild ultims too, so I might get some of these. These guys are like 90 bucks each, I think. And really pretty, really nice discus in here too, but the ultims are the show in this tank. Here we are, the main attraction. These fish came from my house. These are the fish that you can buy here. Look at the quality, the skin quality, the color, really nice. I might take some pictures actually for myself. Really pretty. I'm actually taking pictures of my own fish at the pet store. Really nice, really nice. This is really fun. I'm loving it. Oh wow, look at the red on these. They look much better in this tank than the tank I had. So these guys will be $17.99 each, or 3 for $64. That's the retail price. And you guys can get these at Dragon King Aquarium in Markham. I'll put the address again down below so you can see it. I'm taking some pictures. Oh, this guy, nice. Yo, anybody that doesn't want to come downtown and buy these fish and live in Markham or Scarborough, come to Dragon King and buy them from here, okay? See. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below and hit that notification icon so you get updated when the rest of this video series, as well as the many of the other related videos like this get uploaded. I'm doing a lot of store tours in the coming weeks, so you'll get a lot of nice store tours. As always, I thank you for your support. I love you all. I'll see you on the next video. God bless you.